JC here at Motorcycle Superstore, and I've got Shoei's brand new RF-1200 street bike helmet. This thing is designed to replace, or to be the next best thing anyways, from the RF-1100. Now, let's talk about that helmet for just a second. RF-1100 is one of the best sellers for Shoei, one of the best sellers for us. It's also got over 100 reviews on our website from people who have purchased that helmet, and it ranks 4.7 out of 5 stars. So it's safe to say that that thing is pretty much loved across the board. This helmet, the 1200, is going to be better than that because Shoei has done a lot of work to make this the latest and greatest in their offering. It uses the AIM Advanced Integrated Matrix Plus shell. That thing is made from several different layers of fibers, and basically you have this strong, lightweight, and rigid structure. You're going to notice it looks a little bit different too. Really high scallop here on the side. This is a big cutout. Some contours on the back. This thing has been wind tunnel tested like crazy. Not only for aerodynamics, because you want a stable and aerodynamic ride going forward, but you also need to minimize the noise from the wind. So the shell construction, the way it's been padded underneath, this is all designed to work with minimizing the noise. Now the shell uses quite a bit of venting in order to keep you cool. You have these forehead vents which are adjustable. Also this one across the brow as well. This is a single on or off. These two are 3-position adjustable. Down low on the chin bar, this is also adjustable as well. So you can just tailor in how much air you need to keep you cool and to keep you anti-fog. Speaking of which, this has a Pinlock system that comes standard. This is coming in the box. It adds a lot of value to the helmet. As you can see, it's going to fit straight onto the stock shield. Now this face shield is actually different. It's changed from the RF-1100. This is the CWR1. That's different from the CW1 shield we've seen previously. You have basically the widest and broadest field of vision that you can get on a Shoei helmet. Also, something else you're going to notice with this, aside from the Pinlock and the great optics, is the way it locks into place. Ratchet it down, and the locking mechanism is no longer on the side. It's up here in front, and it's just a matter of pushing down with some force. That thing clicks into place nice and steady, and you have quite a bit of retention. Now, the base plate is redesigned as well. Look, it's got this cool carbon fiber look to it. The base plate is the QRE. That replaces the QRSA, right? Quick release, self-adjusting. Same type of properties on the QRE, but it's going to be slightly modified. Very easy to use. You're also finding the spring-loaded tensions, that self-adjusting mechanism, where it sucks the shield back into the gasket material on the eye port. That helps pull it in, create a nice strong shield, or a nice strong seal rather. Now, you can adjust that by putting a screwdriver in this small adjuster. It's 5 different positions, and basically you can pre-tension how hard you want it to suck back against the eye port. This is a dual layer eye port. It's very rigid, so it's going to hold up, and it's not going to compress with any type of pressure on the front of the helmet. The better the seal, the more enjoyable the ride. Releasing this thing is ridiculously easy. Pop the tab, it comes straight off. All you have to do is press it back into place. Very, very simple. You can swap this shield out if you want to, and that's going to allow you for different types of tints to meet your needs. Now, aside from the shield, the shell is made in 4 different sizes, so it's going to help accommodate a different variety of head shapes. It is intermediate oval in terms of its internal fit. It has a dual layer EPS foam liner underneath this comfort liner. What that does is it works with the venting system to help channel air across your head. Now let's look at the liner, because this thing is pretty special. You see these big cutouts here? That allows for more padding in this area. This is something that saves weight. It's also something that's pretty common in the off-road world. This is basically a clavicle cutout, and that's going to help reduce injuries to your collarbone. It's also going to allow for more padding under here, and neck braces are now more compatible because we're seeing them more and more on the street side of things as well. This is a quick release emergency system, so personnel can yank this out if they're administering aid on the side of the road. This is a new liner system as well. It's the Max Dry 2 system, as opposed to the previous just Max Dry, 3D Max Dry. So what you have are different types of material, 3D design. It's contoured and cut out to fit your face. Also, the quick release system allows it to be yanked out easily, but you can still pull these out to clean them if you want to, just for general maintenance. Yanking it out, you're also going to see the double D-ring closure system, and here's the liner underneath, which uses tabs up front and snaps in the rear. The tabs you're never going to touch, so no pressure points on the forehead. 3D design with this max dry material. So lots of moisture wicking, lots of padding and comfort, and it's going to help also seal out and create a better barrier along the bottom of your head where it meets the neck. So a very quiet ride. There's the dual density, dual layer EPS we mentioned. You don't see the big channels. Those are actually in between the layers. So it still has that, but that's one of the ways they've helped shrink this thing down in its overall dimensions. This size large with everything attached to it weighs in at 3.4 pounds. So it's not very heavy. It's actually a pretty dang light helmet. Also, check out these ear pads. These things come out very easily to allow for communication systems. You can put a speaker in here, run your MP3, or if you want to go super high tech with some Cardo, Scholar Rider stuff, you can head that direction as well. So check out all the details on this online. It's very high tech. There's a lot of information you should check out, find if it's right for you. Also, the colorways are pretty extensive as well. Lots of solids. This is the metallic black. You're also going to find some graphic packages available as well. Solids are right around the $500 mark. Graphics are a little bit more, but check out motorcyclesuperstore.com. You find the current pricing and all the sizes we have available. Typically, sizing is extra small through double extra large. Check them out. Thanks again for watching. This is the RF-1200 High Tech from Shoei.